As a gardener, as a master gardener, we're always excited when young people care about gardening, being outside as much as we do. We want to cultivate that as both as a job or a profession, as well as a hobby that can provide lifelong enjoyment.
4-H is like where people enter, like what they make and like stuff into the to the fair, and they'll like get ribbons, and it's fun to see what everybody else makes. My favorite part about being in 4-H is getting to make many things for the fair and getting to see how well I've done, because I'm always really proud of my work and I like to see it where everyone can see it and I can be proud of it.
Well, my family's always been a gardening family. We've always grown our food, had fun doing it. We normally pre-seed. My aunt started that tradition. She pre-seeded and we put those in our garden. And we had a very great year of it, and my mom started seeding her herbs. She would have used this to make her pesto, our family recipe. But I decided to enter this in the fair, so it looked good. I loved the leaves on it, so I decided to try it this year.
You know, it's a really neat process because they get to plant the seeds, grow the plants, and then harvest either their flowers or vegetables. And then they look for uniformity when they bring it to the fair. They want all the vegetables to look the same size, same maturity. And then they have an option to interview judge and talk about what they've learned through the process.
And you do really fun activities, and then you can enter into the fair and go, if you do a really good job, you can go to state, and it's just really fun.
4-H is a place where you can make new friends and do different contests, and you can learn new things, and it's just really very fun.
You meet new friends. You get to have new people with you in your life. They taught me tons of tips. I learned a lot more than I would have known this year without them.
4-H gives the kids responsibility. They learn how to manage their time, take care of either their vegetables or their plants, their house plants. They learn how to harvest, and these are lifelong skills. Gardening is a lifelong skill for them.